Hi, this is Claire from AHA. You want to build products that customers love. To achieve this, you need to establish a clear strategy, prioritise features based on customer need, and set a clear timeline for delivery. Which is why I am excited to introduce you to AHA Roadmaps. It empowers you to create real product value using a purpose-built AI assistant to do your best work. The first step is to determine what success looks like. Set your product vision, capture your business model, and craft positioning and personas. Conduct a market analysis using the AI assistant to quickly profile your competitors. Then define high-level goals and initiatives to guide the team. Link every release, epic, and feature back to your strategy to stay focused on the big picture. Many product teams struggle with managing customer feedback. Create an ideas portal to capture requests in one place. Efficiently review every single one and create themes to track user needs. Use the AI assistant to instantly find ideas that relate to your initiatives. Then promote the best ones directly to the roadmap. Brainstorm customer solutions using built-in whiteboards. You will love how easy it is to explore new concepts, define user flows, and craft early-stage plans. Then convert objects into actual features in a single step, without having to manually re-enter the data. Now it is time to prioritise what to build and when. Head to the features board to manage your product backlog. Use the AI assistant to quickly define each feature and generate a prototype to show how it should work. Estimate the effort and update the product score based on customer and business value. Then use the prioritization view to align on which features will have the biggest impact and schedule them for release. Next, lay out your plans on a visual roadmap to get everyone on board. Create a strategy roadmap to show how you will achieve each initiative. Use the portfolio roadmap to coordinate plans across multiple products. And build a features roadmap to highlight what is coming by release. Add a live view directly to a presentation to showcase your plans. As you get closer to implementation, create a Gantt chart to coordinate every deliverable, due date and dependency. Then partner closely with engineering to develop new functionality fast. Connect with tools like AHA Develop, Azure DevOps and Jira to create a seamless workflow. Monitor progress in real time, creating interactive dashboards to track your product KPIs. Embed roadmaps and reports directly in meeting agendas, using AI to summarize the key updates. This is just the start of what is possible with AHA Roadmaps. Be sure to check out the AI Assistant. It is purpose-built for product teams and includes a library full of prompts to accelerate every aspect of your work. And choose from more than 40 integrations to connect your entire ecosystem of tools. Get started today with a free 30-day trial. If you need help, use the question mark in your account. Our customer success team is all former product managers and AHA experts. We want to help you build beautiful roadmaps and get meaningful work done.